Discussion on causes of regular RR interval in atrial fibrillation. ECG in atrial fibrillation is characterized by absent P waves, presence of fibrillary waves or F waves, and a totally irregular RR interval. Please subscribe to this channel for future updates. Click on the subscribe button. Press the bell icon after that for all updates. But regular RR interval in atrial fibrillation can occur if there is associated 1. Complete AV block, 2. Ventricular tachycardia, 3. AV junctional tachycardia, 4. AV nodal ablation followed by permanent pacemaker implantation. In all these conditions, regular RR interval in atrial fibrillation occurs because the ventricles are controlled by a different rhythm not dependent on the irregularly conducted atrial signals of atrial fibrillation. AV node ablation with permanent ventricular pacemaker implantation is usually considered when the ventricular rate in AF is high despite optimal medications. In one study, significant improvement in left ventricular ejection fraction, quality of life and activity scores was documented after discontinuing rate controlling medications, AV node ablation and pacemaker implantation. The Ablet and PACE trial also had documented similar improvements. Sometimes there can be an apparent regularity when the ventricular rate in atrial fibrillation is low, as those on digoxin or beta blockers, but close scrutiny will reveal the subtle irregularity in RR intervals. Digoxin toxicity can cause complete heart block and regular RR intervals due to the subsidiary pacemaker in atrial fibrillation. Atrial fibrillation with paroxysmal AV junctional tachycardia can also cause complete AV dissociation and regular ventricular rhythm in digoxin toxicity. Here are a few important journal references on the topic. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates and click on the bell icon for all updates. Thank you.